Hospitals are sitting on mountains of clinical text, doctor's notes, discharge summaries, pathology reports, and almost none of it can safely be sent to a cloud AI, because it is some of the most sensitive data that exists. OpenMed is an open-source project that flips the model entirely. More than 1,000 medical AI models that run fully on your own device, never sending a single patient record anywhere. And on the benchmarks, these models are not just private, they are state-of-the-art. That combination is the thing that makes this project worth your time. Because for years, the unspoken rule of AI was that better results meant handing more of your data to someone else. OpenMed is a serious attempt to break that rule, specifically for the domain where it matters most. This is the project, OpenMed, built by Maziyar Panahi, and its tagline says it all: clinical AI that never leaves the device. It is a complete toolkit for turning messy clinical text into structured data. Entity recognition, privacy filtering, and de-identification, all running locally, all Apache 2.0, and all free. Let's anchor the scale. OpenMed publishes more than 1,000 curated biomedical models on Hugging Face, trained across 25 public medical datasets. They cover 12 languages. And this is the headline. In the project's research paper, these models hit state-of-the-art accuracy on 10 of 12 standard biomedical entity recognition benchmarks. Open, local, and best-in-class at the same time. So why does on-device matter so much here? Think about what is actually in a clinical note. Names, dates of birth, diagnoses, medications, sometimes social security numbers. Sending that to a third-party cloud model is a privacy nightmare and, in regulated settings, often flat-out illegal. The usual workaround is to strip the identifiers first, but that itself requires a model that sees the raw data, which is the exact thing you were trying to protect. OpenMed closes that loop by running everything locally. The text never leaves your machine, there are no per-token fees, and the privacy models are built to catch all 18 of the HIPAA safe harbor identifiers. It is the difference between trusting a vendor's promise and simply never exposing the data in the first place. And this is not a toy constraint. Hospitals, insurers, and research labs routinely cannot use the best cloud models at all, purely because of where the data would travel. A capable model that runs behind their own firewall is not a downgrade for them. It is often the only option they are legally allowed to choose. And the developer experience is genuinely a single line. You import analyzed text, hand it a sentence, and the name of a model, and you get back structured entities. Here it reads, patient started on imatinib for chronic myeloid leukemia, and it correctly tags imatinib as a drug and chronic myeloid leukemia as a disease, each with a confidence score. No API key, no network request, no setup beyond a pip install. The model downloads once, and runs on your own CPU or GPU from then on. And it understands far more than diseases. OpenMed ships specialist models for different slices of medicine. There are models for drugs and treatments, for anatomy and organs, for genes and proteins, and dedicated oncology models. The larger superclinical models are 434 million parameters, while lighter 109 million parameter models handle anatomy and genes when you want raw speed. You pick the model that matches your task, and because they are all small enough to run locally, you can chain several of them over the same note without ever phoning home. The models are trained on serious public datasets too, things like Mimic3 intensive care records, PubMed abstracts, and the BC5CDR chemical and disease corpus, so they have actually seen the language of real medicine rather than generic web text. That domain grounding is a big part of why the accuracy holds up against far larger general-purpose models. The privacy side is just as simple. Extract PII finds the personal identifiers in a block of text, the name, the date of birth, the social security number, and then deidentify scrubs them with your choice of strategy. You can mask them, replace them with realistic fakes, hash them, or shift every date by a fixed offset to preserve timelines while breaking the link to a real person. That last one is a favorite of medical researchers, because it keeps the data analytically useful while making it safe to share. Notice what just happened here. The entire pipeline, finding the sensitive fields and then erasing them, ran without a single byte leaving the machine. With a cloud service, you would have had to upload the raw, identifiable record first just to get it cleaned, which completely defeats the purpose. On-device is the only place de-identification actually makes sense. Performance is where this gets surprising for a local tool. OpenMed ships more than 200 MLX variants tuned for Apple Silicon, and the privacy filter running through MLX is reported at 24 to 33 times faster than the same model on CPU PyTorch. Batch a stack of documents together, and you get up to another 3.3 times on CPU. In practice, that means you can de-identify a whole archive of records on a laptop in minutes, with nothing uploaded and nothing to pay per call. Getting it running is a one-liner too. Pip install OpenMed with the Hugging Face backend, or add the MLX extra on a Mac for the speedups. And if you want it as a service, OpenMed ships a FastAPI server, so you can stand up local endpoints for analysis, PII extraction, and de-identification, and call them from any app on your network. For shipping into real products, there is also OpenMedKit for native iOS and macOS, plus Docker and AWS SageMaker paths. Everything lives in the open. The GitHub repo holds the Python library and the Swift toolkit, and all 1,000 plus models sit on the OpenMed organization on Hugging Face, ready to pull. It is on version 1.5.5, actively maintained, and Apache 2.0, so you can use it commercially, fork it, and audit exactly what the models are doing with your data. For healthcare software, that auditability is not a nice to have. It is the whole point. When a regulator or an ethics board asks exactly how patient data was processed, being able to point at open weights and open code running on hardware you control is an answer that a closed cloud API can never give you. I keep coming back to that one line, clinical AI that never leaves the device, because it captures a real shift. For years, better AI meant sending more of your data to someone else's servers. OpenMed is proof that, at least for medical text, you can have state-of-the-art accuracy and keep the data entirely under your own roof. OpenMed is free, Apache 2.0, and on Hugging Face today. If you work anywhere near healthcare data, it is absolutely worth a serious look. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more deep dives into the tools that are quietly shaping AI.